This demonstration of the pointer system was conducted in a modern, three-story residential structure constructed of wood framing and brick, encompassing approximately 4,600 square feet of interior space. The primary objective was to dynamically track, in real time and visualize, the receiver's movement carried by research personnel along the XYZ axis throughout the structure, including seamless transitions between all three floors. These objectives were successfully achieved, as illustrated in this video presentation. Let's go ahead and start our live capture. In the upper right corner, you're going to see our GoPro footage of our research personnel, and that's the receiver there that he just picked up, and he's walking around the first floor of this residential structure. This is overlaid on our software, where you can see it's divided up into the three floors of the house, and the dots that you're seeing represent the path and position of the researcher as he moves throughout the structure. You'll notice every nuance is captured here, whether he stops, speeds up, slows down, takes a turn. Any position change is going to be reflected in the display that you're seeing. Our researcher is now ascending this curved staircase, and you'll see the breadcrumb switch here from the first to the second floor. The pointer system is capable of tracking one or more receivers worn by individuals or tagged assets that are then activated by a magneto-quasi-static or MQS field emitted from a transmitter. Each receiver's location within that MQS field is then converted by our algorithm into a physical position in 3 dimensions, X, Y, and Z. Our researcher is now heading towards the attic, and as he ascends the steps, you're going to see him move from the second to the third floor as the height of his position increases. And as he starts to backtrack and go down the stairs, you're going to see that transition back to the second floor. The average positional uncertainty throughout this demonstration was only 10 centimeters, or less than 4 inches. Data can be reviewed and visualized in our post-event analytics platform built right into the software to enable training and education, as well as improvements to workflows. The data can be stored on-premises or distributed to the cloud, giving you a flexible solution for data storage and access. The powerful combination of Pointer's 3D position tracking in GPS-denied environments, along with a flexible and interoperable data pipeline, allow for rapid and comprehensive accountability while either on task or upon exiting the event. Pointer can be run standalone or integrated into third-party applications. Having thoroughly covered the second floor, the researcher is going to descend the curved staircase back down to the first floor. Notice how the breadcrumbs once again shift to the appropriate floor, accurately representing the researcher's location not just in X and Y, but in Z. Now moving on to the kitchen, the researcher is going to take a loop around the island, moving past complex objects such as a large running refrigerator and a double oven. In addition to indoor tracking as demonstrated in this video, the pointer system can also be used outdoors, underground, and even underwater. The researcher is now on his way back to the starting point and is going to return the receiver back to its original position. And as he does so, the breadcrumb trail will fade away as the position of the receiver is now static. This video has demonstrated Pointer's ability to track successfully indoors in GPS-denied environments.